Hi everyone. So let's understand a very important interview problem. So it's a intersection of two linked lists. So given the heads of two singly linked lists, head A and head B, return the node at which the two lists intersect. If the two linked lists have no intersection at all, return null. Okay. So let's directly jump to the input test case. So yeah, here we can see first list we can consider list A from here to here, like 4 1 8 4 5, and second list we can consider it as list B 5 6 1 8 4 5. Okay, as here given as well, list A and list B. So the intersect element is 8 node we can say. So how we know that this is the intersect point, and we have to return that element as well. So to solve this problem there are multiple ways, but I'm just explaining one very tricky approach. We can also see the same like logic in our uh, a cycle detection problem number, like cycle detection to linked list problem using fast slow pointer. Here is also we are using two pointer, but not like fast slow. Let's see how we are using. So suppose we want a intersect position. So just what we are doing, we just create a pointer to pointer and put it both of list to the head. Suppose we create a t1 and t2. So t1 place here and t2 place here, and now move both of them with one step, and we know that here is last node null. So after last node there is null. So if any pointer will reach to the null first, then move to the opposite list of head. Suppose we know that here is smallest length of list, will pointer reach first to the node. Obviously, suppose here is total 6 node and here is total 5 node. So if we will start together, so the smallest length of node, the pointer will reach first. So if any pointer will reach null, then then just to take it and place the opposite list of head. Suppose in the first list A, the pointer will t1 pointer will reach first to the null, and uh, now take it and place over there, means opposite list of head, and 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 we will continue moving one step. So suppose first step is t1 here, and t2 is t2 is here, and now one step here, and t1 is here and t2 is here, and t1 is here and t2 is here, t1 is here and t2 is here, and t1 is on null right now, and at that time we have to place it opposite list of node. So t1 move to the here, and again just move it. So now t2 is here, and no, t1 is here and t2 is on 5, and t1 is on 1, and now t2 is point to the null. Now now take it and place it on opposite list of head. Now move together. So t like t2 is here. Now when we know that they like they will meet on same point. Now if they will move one step together, that that is the intersect point. If the same node, they will give the same node as a reference as well, so that is the intersect point we can say. So how we will solve this problem? Let's same intuition write in code. So just write list node t1 pointer, and where it point head of a. So list of a, like there is two list na, first list a, list b, so point it t1 a list a on head, and similarly list node t2 is equals to head of b. Okay, now we'll just run while t1 is not equals to t2. Okay, so what we are doing, if some just we have to write now step. So for t1, suppose if t1 is equals to null, so what we are doing, we are placing it to opposite list. So for t1, which one is opposite list? So for t1, let me see. So suppose t1 is reached here, and now we have to place t1 to the head of b. So we can write t1 is equals to head of b. Okay, otherwise what we are doing, otherwise just move it one step towards, like otherwise t1 dot next. And similarly we are doing for the t2 t2 pointer as well. So yes, just we have to change for t2. If t2 is reached to the null, what we are doing, just place t2 to head of a, and otherwise t2 move next. And if they are meet somewhere, like obviously, so what, return any, like return any pointer, sorry, either you can point return t1 or t2 because they are at the same place. So let me run and see what's. Mm-hmm. Why taking time? Yeah, it's run successful, accepted. Let's submit and see. So yeah, finally it's successful submitted. Yeah, thank you.